How to change the ringtone of one contact. You want that contact to have a special ringtone, and this is what you need to do for Samsung phones with Android 13 or Android 14. So first, if you save that contact within the Contacts app under the SIM card, you'll see that you won't have that option. So what you're gonna need to do is go ahead and delete that contact. Make sure you do write down that number somewhere else if you don't know the number in your head, and then re-add that contact and make sure you save that contact into the phone storage section. You'll have that drop down option which will ask you whether you want to save it on the SIM card or on an email or your Samsung account, but save it under the storage of your phone. That's how you're going to get the option to change the ringtone. Okay, so once you're done with that, and of course you'll be doing it in this app here under the Contacts app for your Samsung phone. Okay, so once you're here now, of course, go ahead and re-add that person, and then you'll add their number in. Okay, so just go ahead. I'm just going to put any random weird number and save it. Okay, so now when you go to that contact name, okay, when you're in that contact name section here, you're going to see these options here. You're going to see edit, share, and more. You're going to where it says more, and that's where you'll find the change ringtone and vibration. So once you're here in this section here now, you'll see the ringtone option, and then of course you'll need to allow it to give access to that, and that'll take you into all the ringtones on your Samsung phone, where you can choose a specific ringtone for that contact, and whenever that person calls you, it's going to give you that specific ringtone. Okay, so like this here. All right. And then now that specific contact will have that ringtone every time they're calling me. So hopefully that helped you out. Like and sub.